College Board 10, Calculator Allowed number 8. Yet again, we have a linear modeling problem. The idea here is we have Ian, who's depositing money in his bank account every single week, and we also have Jeremy, who's depositing money in his bank account every single week. And we are asked, how much more did Ian deposit each week than Jeremy? So what this problem is really asking is to compare the rate of change for Ian compared to the rate of change for Jeremy. And so when we're talking about Ian's rate of change, we're talking about the slope of this line. So we're talking about doing y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and that's going to be the slope for Ian's line. That's the rate at which he's depositing money in his bank account. And so what I like to do for these problems is just pick out simple points to work with. So for example, for Ian, I think 0, 100 is a great point to pick out. And we also have 1, 200. We could find the slope of our line using those 2 points. So I'm going to do 200 minus 100 divided by, we have 1 minus 0. And so we see that Ian is depositing money in his account at a rate of $100 per week. And we could do the same sort of thing for Jeremy. We could see the rate at which Jeremy is depositing money in his bank account. Now you notice a shallower slope. So I think it's still going to be a positive slope, but he's depositing money at a slower rate than Ian is. So hopefully we get a number that is less than 100. Again, I'm picking out simple points to start from. So I think 0, 300 is great. And then I'm going to pick just another one that falls perfectly onto the grid. Let's go with 2, 400. Just draw an arrow there. That's 2, 400. And again, we use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to do 400 minus 300 over, and in this case we have 2 minus 0. That's 100 over 2, or 50. So he's depositing money in his bank account at a rate of $50 per week. And again, the problem asks us, how much more did Ian deposit each week than Jeremy? So Ian's at $100 per week minus Jeremy's at $50 per week. And so that difference is $50. And we're going to answer C.